I still can't believe this happened to me. The portals that connect our world to the other dimension are called gates. Beyond these gates are dungeons where evil creatures lurk. The awakened beings who hunt down these creatures are called hunters.
Hey, Sung, thanks for coming.
Of course. Looking forward to it as always.
Sup, Sung?
Hey, how are ya?
Who's that? Everyone's so happy to see him.
Well, his nickname is the weakest hunter of all mankind. He's probably the weakest of us all.
I'm Sung Chinu, E-rank. I'm embarrassed to call myself a hunter. People call me the weakest hunter of all mankind.
All right, then. Let's head in.
Let's move!
You coming, Gino?
I'm gonna give it my all. Everyone already went inside? I'm going to have to catch up. A lizard man. Did they miss one? I need to get rid of him to get past. All right. I'm feeling pretty good today. What the? That came out of nowhere. I can't fight it alone.
You're hurt again, Gino. I'll treat you.
Thank you, Chui. This one is different from the others. It's so strong. Don't give up! No, I can't die like this. Someone help me!
Sung, watch out!
Thank you!
I've got your back.
I don't think I've ever seen a door before. Let's go in.
The torch is lit up. Nice.
I've never seen anything like this dungeon.
Is that the boss? What? The door's closed!
What I saw inside that gate showed me what it really means to be afraid.
Over here!
Mr. Song, take Juhi and leave this place.
I'm sorry.
I want to live. I can't leave China by herself. I have to be here for my mom. This is my last chance. I won't waste it. I want to live. All a dream? A hospital?
So you've regained consciousness.
Who are you?
I apologize if we startled you.
The Hunters Association surveillance team. Why do they want to talk to me? I've been asleep for 3 whole days? Is everyone else alright?
They're both safe, but... Mr. Song Chio lost an arm. As for Ms. Lee Ju-hee, she seems to have been heavily traumatized, so she is currently receiving therapy. Hunters are aware that their job entails danger, but disasters like this rarely happen. After receiving a report from the survivors, we went to the scene, but by the time we got there, the monsters were already gone. You were lying inside the dungeon. You were alone. The statue of God and the other stone statues were nowhere to be found.
That's impossible.
That's why we think you may have undergone a second awakening. This is a mana meter. All you have to do is place your hand on top of this essence stone here.
How are the results?
I think we've taken up too much of your time. I'm sorry.
What the? Getting me excited for no reason.
Jinoo, are you up? Do you know how worried I was? I told you to be careful. If you get hurt one more time, I'm gonna make you quit the hunter business. Got it?
Hey, China, can you see this?
What are you talking about?
Never mind. When you have an unread message in a game, what do you have to...
I have no idea why you want to know, but you have to open the message box first.
You have to open the message? Huh? Congratulations, you have now become a...
Anyway, I'll be off. Get some rest, Jinoo.
What is all this? How am I supposed to do anything? I'll think about what this means after I get some sleep. An earthquake? I'm in the desert? Some kind of joke? Nice! Survive for the allotted amount of time? Dodge their attacks? Damn it! How long do I have to run? How does it expect me to get out of here alive? I got this! Penalty quest? Is this a joke? Things I've realized. Firstly, the screen I see in front of me is not an illusion. I can see it crystal clear, but nobody else can. This strange phenomenon has taken control of me. Come to think of it, I wonder if I'm going to get something useful this time. I get a random loot box every time I complete a quest. This instant's dungeon entry key is from one of those boxes. It's time to figure out what this is. If all this is a sign of reawakening, it's worth a try. The weakest hunter of all mankind reawakened. People would mock me if I told them. I'm great at running away, so if things get dangerous, I'll just get out of here. No way. Is it sealed? Am I in a different dimension? This is not a regular dungeon, huh? I have to clear it in order to get out. Oh, that stench? Beast-type monsters, maybe? Wolves? Damn it! I can't believe this starving dog is stronger than me. Don't give up! Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Don't give up! I won't lose! Get out of my way! Can't get hurt this time. No matter what, I was given a second chance at life. I refuse to die so easily. Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Get out of my way! I will never lose! Looks like I get 5 stat points every time I level up. I actually have a chance to become stronger. What should I do next? I can't leave this dungeon till I've defeated the boss. If this is an E-rank dungeon, shouldn't I be able to kill the boss? I could die before I make it that far. No, there's nothing to fear. I'll for my life, as long as I've got it. I've come to a realization. If I give up here, I'll die for nothing. I can't keep hiding in the shadows like I always have. If it means I can become stronger, I'll gladly follow these ridiculous rules. Get out of my way! I got this! Get out of my way! It all depends on me! I won't lose! A wolf assassin. I like it. Getting a teleportation stone was easier than I thought. Should I go back? No, I don't know if I'll ever get the chance to boost my powers like this again. What will happen to this dungeon if I use the teleportation stone? Will it disappear? So, I guess to keep going would be to let some unknown being keep controlling me. Maybe it's the one down there. I can already feel it. Lurking down there is a monster, and I can tell it's a tough one. I've gotten stronger, but it might not be enough to win. Do I go forward or retreat? I will never lose! I'm going to do my best today. Is this really Hapjeong Station? The dungeon boss. Get out of my way! Sword's no match. How the hell do I pierce through these scales? Get out of my way! Get out of my way! I have to be stronger. I came all this way to become stronger. Get out of my way! This is my last chance. It all depends on me. Now is my chance! Must have gotten a little stronger, huh? I will never lose!
I'm Imha-Jin, the new hire. We're rolling out a brand new app for hunter registration. Have you heard about it?
It's news to me. What is it?
By using this program, you can easily recruit Strike Squad members and view your squad's equipment. You're curious, right? Want to take a look?
Will you join me?
I installed it on your cell phone as well. Now, you can access it anytime. If you find a bug or have suggestions on how it can be improved, drop me a line, okay? Oh, right. In the Hunter community, we use official nicknames for anonymity. Once you decide on a nickname, I'll register it for you.
Great, let's go together.
Evacuate, quickly!
Their attacks aren't coordinated. Huh?
Hey, give me some healing, quick!
Chuhi? It's been a week since the incident. Looks like she hasn't recovered yet. Well, I can understand why. No, I must overcome this. Can I be of any help? It might be more dangerous than it sounds, but it's a step down from the boss I fought earlier. Maybe with my power alone.
Don't give up!
I can't let the other hunters see me. This is the best I can do for now.
It all depends on me. I will never lose. I'm going to do my best today. Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Don't give up!
I can just break down his defenses. It's possible. I just need one good hit to crack this stupid rock.
Don't give up! Don't give up! Nice! It all depends on me! Don't give up! It all depends on me! I can do it too! What the? I got this! Nice! I won't lose! I got this! Nice! I got this! Get out of my way! This is my last chance! It all depends on me! Nice! Get out of my way!
A new gate?
Measuring mana levels.
Please hurry.
A new gate has been observed. Please recruit a strike squad.
I'll go.
You can obtain a lot of resources from gates, but they're dangerous. You'll be a great help.
I'll break through with my own strength. This will really help me grow.
This is the end!
Take this!
I'll end this! I'll shred you!
Take this! Time for a counterattack. Too slow. To the front. Too slow. It was a good fight.
I heard you needed me. There they are. Too hot?
Time is on our side.
Will you join me? Eat this! So, you're the owner of this place. Yeah, but can't relax.
Time is on our side. Noble light. Not a chance.
The path to victory is letting go of doubt.
Oh my, great timing. I was actually looking for you. I'm Sorin of the Hunters Association. You've met Hajin, right? Well, Hajin mentioned that she forgot to tell you something important. I want to let you know about a new support system introduced by the association. Activity funding. The association will hold funds for your activities based on your rank. You can claim them whenever you need them, so check it out. They'll only hold a certain amount of funds at a time, so collect them often.
Let's try.
You